Welcome to our channel, where we explore the amazing world of electric bikes. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary Blix Packa Genie. This electric bike isn't just any bike, it's a genie that can transform your daily commuting and cargo needs. Let's get started. The Blix Packa Genie is a game changer in the world of electric bikes. It's not just about cycling. It's about enhancing your lifestyle with a versatile and powerful electric bike that makes commuting and carrying cargo a breeze. Features. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Blix Packa Genie stand out. Powerful assistance. With a robust electric motor, this bike provides strong assistance while you pedal. Whether it's conquering steep hills or carrying heavy cargo, this bike has the muscle for it. Long-lasting battery. The Blix Packa Genie comes with a reliable battery that ensures you can enjoy longer rides without worrying about running out of power. Cargo carrying capabilities. What sets this bike apart is its exceptional cargo carrying capabilities. It features a spacious cargo area that can handle groceries, packages, or even your furry friend in a pet carrier. Comfortable riding. This bike is designed for your comfort, with a comfortable saddle, ergonomic handlebars, and a smooth ride. Eco-friendly. By choosing the Blix Packa Genie, you're making an eco-friendly choice. This electric bike produces zero emissions and is an environmentally conscious alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. Stylish design. Along with its functionality, the Packa Genie boasts a sleek and stylish design that turns heads wherever you go. Convenient accessories. Blix offers a range of accessories for the Packa Genie, from cargo bags to child seats, allowing you to customize your bike to your needs. Uses. How can you make the most of your Blix Packa Genie? Commuting. Say goodbye to traffic jams and parking hassles. Use the Blix Packa Genie for your daily commute, and arrive at your destination with ease. Grocery runs. Need to pick up groceries? The spacious cargo area can handle your shopping bags, making it a breeze to stock up on essentials. Family adventures. With the option to add a child seat or cargo bags, the Packa Genie is perfect for family outings. Enjoy quality time together while exploring your city. Environmental impact. By choosing an electric bike like the Blix Packa Genie, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping to create a cleaner, greener world. In conclusion, the Blix Packa Genie is more than just an electric bike, it's a lifestyle choice. It's about embracing sustainable transportation, simplifying your daily routine, and enjoying the freedom of the open road. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Blix Packa Genie.